Hi, I'm Samantha from Emerge, and today I'm showing you how to build a scenario component in Evolve Authoring.
So the first thing you're going to need to do is add a block and add a component just like you usually would. And you are going to be adding the simulation component. Now what I like to do is close this outline and then open up the component panel to make it bigger and easier to work with. So we're in the simulation component. You want to give it a title. I'm just going to leave it the same, and you can give it a display title if you would like. And then click on screens and add your first screen. Now I'm going to just use one of these screens that Evolve provides just so we can make a simple simulation. So you can see that this image is not exactly fitting to the screen. So if that happens, you just want to click this button down here, resize window to fit. And let's make this simulation, we'll make it really easy. We'll make this simulation click on the green donuts. And so what we'll do is we'll create buttons. If you click on the white donuts or the pink donuts, it will say try again. And if you click on the green donuts, it will say great job. So the first thing we need to do is create the instruction text. So I'm going to just add an element and click display text. Double click on that. And this is your label. And then this is the display text. And then if you click on styles, you can go ahead and change the background color, the text color, the size, and all of that. So I'm going to just increase the size and scroll all the way down. That's all good. Okay, so that is our instruction text. Now I'm going to create the buttons to go over the donuts so that when you click them, something will actually happen. So add another element, and this will be a button. I'm going to just drag this where we want it. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other two buttons as well. Now that we have our buttons covering all of the donuts, we just want to hide these so that they are still working, but you don't see this big blue box covering the picture. So double click on the button and set as hotspot. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is make my pop-ups for try again and for great job. So add element, and that will also be a button just so that we can attach a action to that pop-up. And I am actually going to set this button to hidden because we don't want it to be there the whole time. We want it to only pop up at certain times. So we're going to start by setting that to hidden, and then this button action, so go all the way down to button click action, and I'm going to click reset elements, and we want to reset this button. So when the user has this button pop up, if they click on it, it will reset and start over. So that's our try again button, and now we will make the great job button. So add another element. I am also going to set this as hidden, and I'm not going to set an action for this one, but you may want to set this to submit screen and navigate to the next screen, or submit screen or show next instructions. So there are a lot of actions you can attach to each button. I'm going to just leave it. Now we need to make sure that these are popping up when you click on the pictures. So for the white donuts, we want the try again button to pop up. So double click on those and we will go to button click action, show or hide elements, and we want to show the try again button. Okay, and now for the pink donuts, we will do the same thing. And for the green donuts, we want to show the great job button. Okay, I think we have everything, so let's go ahead and preview this. Clicking the preview button on the top right. Click on the green donuts. So let's try clicking the white, try again, the pink, try again, and the green. Great job. And we did not attach an action to this, but like I said, if you wanted to add some instructions, click here to navigate to the next screen. You could do that by just adding an action to that button. So that is how you make a really simple simulation using Evolve. If you guys have any other questions, leave them in the comments below and we will address those in a separate video. And don't forget to like this video.